Let's see what Travis has got in the paint booth. I think it's the rest of the parts for the 36 Ford, getting ready to paint those. Paint the underside of the hood first. All this glove box, all little miscellaneous parts. Not sure if he's going to paint it today. If he is, we'll try to stick around and get some video of him painting these as well. Last week he got the bed and the rear fenders painted, and so this is the remainder of the parts, I believe, that we have left on that truck. So no stripes. What do y'all think? I think it looks meaner with no stripes on it. From that front end?
The front end does look mean. I don't know meaner. I don't know.
It looks, I think without the stripes on it, you can see it's wider.
Yeah.
You know, it's wider. It just looks different to me. What do y'all think? What do you think?
I'd say, yeah, it does look just bigger.
Yeah. So we're going back with stripes on the hood, the roof, and the trunk lid. All are going to be painted. Owner decided on that black, so we're just getting that prepped up. She'll be next in the paint booth after Travis finished painting the 36 Star.
Well, I'm just gonna tell you, the last shop walk was probably the best one so far.
Which one's that?
The last one that.
Oh, why is that? Because you was on camera?
Well, I mean that was part of it, yeah. That should be the only reason, but no. So O'Reilly's ordered something 11 o'clock, carburetor kit. Go to lunch, come back. It's 1:30. Has anybody seen O'Reilly's? No. Or they bring my carb kit? Nope. Looked online, says it was delivered at 12:19.
Huh. Wasn't here.
I don't know. So anyway.
So it wasn't here at 12:15, right?
No, it still wasn't here until 3 minutes ago, which was like 3 minutes after I called Wes. I said, hey, find out what the deal is. It says it was delivered. It's not delivered. Where's my stuff? Anyway, then they just all of a sudden brought it. I'm baking it.
You rebuilding the carburetor?
Well, yeah, even though it didn't need it, according to somebody. So, but yeah, nah, it didn't need it. Nope.
Oh, it didn't need it.
Nah, it wouldn't.
No, that looks good.
It didn't need
That's
it.
just, you know.
Extra flow. So yeah, I got her cleaned up. We're about to put some stuff back together.
You know why the last shot walk was so good, why Travis said it was so good? It's because I forced him into talking about the green Camaro that he didn't want to do. So you see, when you get in the mood and you do it, it turns out great.
It has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
I got umpteen other things that I'm having to take care of. Yes, you know how many that is?
A lot.
Yep.
Dude, you the man. That's the only
Why
reason.
you always starting stuff?
He wants to be on camera, that's why.
No, you don't want me on
The
camera
only way
until
you
somebody
mad
else
is
gets
if
on
you
camera.
got umpteen things to do.
You little jealous ass. A little bit. Well,
No, I've been the man. I don't want to be the man. Being
no,
the
you're the man.
No, being the man,
Oh,
you got
goodness.
headaches.
Now they're arguing over who's going to be the man.
Well, we know Rusty's the man.
You know who the boss is though, right?
Yeah.
That one right there. See, she's watching over you. In the background.
She's... Oh, really?
What you getting ready to do? Glue those things in?
What'd I say?
No, you're not gluing them in.
No, I'm making, giving it a little bit of extra fiberglass so I can screw my pieces down.
What are those pieces for?
They're for the vents on the top piece.
Oh, okay.
Yep, it's going to transfer our air from our hose to our inside of our vents.
In and out, in and out. Last week, last shop walk, all that stuff was covered up. Y'all remember? Now it's back out. Well, 3 minutes later, he's already done.
Yeah, done.
3 minutes.
Bolted on. Done. Ready to go. I had leftover bolts though.
Oh, that means you're more efficient with the rebuild process.
It's lighter.
Yeah. We don't need none of them.
No.
Nah.
Overkill.
That saves weight on the car.
It does.
Makes it faster.
Weight to weight ratio, weight to horsepower.
I mean, what could go wrong? I mean, it'd be all right.
Go wrong because it can't go right. If it can't go right, it can't go wrong. It's got to go right to be able to go wrong.
Are those extra parts too?
No. Don't be giving our secrets away of how we make things flow. The more you take out, the less restricted it is. Needs more airflow. You know what I mean?
More horsepower, huh?
Coming this way. Coming this way.
What's that behind you? Is that
That-
a new project? Now what you done dragged in here now?
A damn farm truck.
Huh?
Hey, so you know what the story with the rack is on that thing right
I
there?
don't know, but it's too high. What, do you put cows in there?
Exactly.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. The old man that owned it years and years and years ago put one on there like this, and it kind of put down, so they put another one. And he's like, it was built so high because he used to put cow taken to the soul.
What, but like 2 of them in there maybe?
Yeah, that truck ain't that strong.
Well, I know,
I
but
thought maybe a goat, but
I mean,
he
but
said cow.
a cow.
Hey, cow.
That'd be dog. Thing off.
Yeah, we're gonna take this.
Look like
off.
he got pallets on the side.
Yeah.
Huh? What are we doing to this thing?
Damn resto mod.
Resto mod. Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna mod everything we can touch.
This-
Oh, hell, I got my side.
This is we got to name this out after a cow. Oh, Bessie.
No,
Oh.
Bessie's Shannon's Bronco.
Oh, that's right. What about Big Red? How about Big Red?
Well, I don't think that's gonna work.
Because Big Red's dead.
Well, Big Red, we can name him.
Look at that. It's already transformed, everybody.
Look, done.
Like that.
Cow
Done, already done. Inline 6. 6 bolt. Oh Lord, we got a lot to do on this one. Look at this, another 3 minutes and he's already got the carburetor back on.
Shit, boy. It's like them TV shows.
This is a TV show, kinda.
I done pulled the motor out and put it back in since y'all been gone. Y'all missed that whole thing. I'm heavy. Grease Monkey can do it. We can do it.
What's next we gotta do? We gotta test the AC?
No,
No?
there's no need to test it. It's
Well,
got a leak somewhere.
I mean, we gotta hook it up and see where the leak is, right?
Nah, we gotta just pull it out. Lou tried to find it one time, and those are like ghosts.
When you say pull it out, what are you talking about? Under the dash?
Like the dash box, pull it out, see what kind of hose. I think it's under the dash.
I got you.
We thought we found it before, but we didn't. That goes there. I think. No, it goes right there. That looks better, though.
It does.
We can roll with that. Plug this one right there. It don't fit there. Oh,
That one's supposed to plug in, Travis.
I don't know. Look. Ha! We got two! Two in a row! Can't do that on TV.
Isn't that, you got plug and play on that, don't it? Say A goes to A and B goes to B?
Yes, sir. Maybe we can get lucky again on this side.
You think he knows what he's doing? I ain't quite sure about all that. Hey, you doing a good job. Fine job, young man. Fine job. Yeah.
Well, come back when I'm done and then tell me that.
All right.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.